The SXT-100 is the first commercially available tabletop soft X-ray microscope, bringing synchrotron-level image quality directly into the laboratory. At its heart is a robust, industrial-grade laser. It delivers precisely timed pulses of energy to a solid metal target inside the source chamber, the starting point for generating soft X-rays. Each laser pulse creates a tiny, intense plasma, converting laser energy into a broadband spectrum rich in soft X-ray wavelengths. Patented collector optics capture this light efficiently and direct it along the optical path, maximizing brightness and ensuring stable, repeatable illumination for imaging. The beam is then brought to an intermediate focus, where its intensity, uniformity, and spectral quality are carefully conditioned. Every photon is optimized before it enters the sample illumination chamber. A precision multi-layer mirror reflects and filters the beam to the chosen soft X-ray wavelength. The narrow-band light is then passed through a high-performance condenser optic, focusing it precisely onto the area of the sample to be imaged. Inside the cryo-sample chamber, the focused beam passes through fully hydrated, vitrified biological specimens mounted on standard EM grids. A series of projection images is captured as the sample is incrementally rotated, producing the tilt series needed to reconstruct detailed 3D views. An integrated fluorescence microscope enables correlative imaging, linking functional and structural information in the same sample. After passing through the sample and objective lens, the X-ray image is recorded on a high-performance CCD camera with variable magnification for maximum flexibility. The result? High-resolution, native contrast 3D images from a system with a footprint of just 3 by 2 meters, bringing synchrotron-level imaging into your lab.